This P0415 repairing video is dedicated to Toyota's drivers. If your Toyota is getting a P0415 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. And see the error code P0415.
It indicates that the engine control module detected the engine oxygen sensor did not detect an increase in the oxygen level in the exhaust when the air injection system was commanded on during an active test.
Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0415 error code.
Method A, the air injection pump. The air injection pump will be placed at the front of the engine with the serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the air injection pump's pump pipe and the connector for any damages. Use a multimeter to test the air injection pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Method B, the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe near the catalytic converter. Locate the sensor that responds too slow as it ages.
So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P0415 error code.
After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.